Good afternoon. How are you today? I have had a very tech-heavy morning. I got a new camera stand, I got new lighting. I've started using my phone as of today, my phone camera, because I've realized since doing my travel tutorials that my front camera on my phone actually has higher definition than my professional camera. So today I'm filming on my phone. There's a lot of space everywhere. I hope the lighting is good. When I figure out how to get my monitor onto my new laptop, through my phone, without a HDMI, it will be great. But today, I'm going dancing. And so, let's get ready. So I've done my skincare, I've done my primer, and I want to be able to, because I'm going to be outdoors and it's 31 degrees today, super hot, and I really wish I had like a compact powder that I could wear instead of foundation. Just put that on my list of things that I need to buy. I'm going to try and do as light of a makeup as I can today, but I haven't actually gone out and done my makeup in a very long time, so I've been thinking of new ways to do my bronzer, my blush, and highlight and everything. I think I've pretty much decided that my highlight should stay exactly how it is, but I don't know, I have a face that has multiple ways of doing contouring, and I think the way that I've been doing it has not been serving me and I just haven't realized it. So I'm not going to do it today because I told my friend late lunch and it's now almost 2 in the afternoon. It takes a couple of hours to get there from where I am, so there's no time to experiment much today. So I might actually do a video on that soon, how bronzing changes the shape of your face, sometimes to your benefit, sometimes to your detriment. Because I've noticed like the face shape that I have, the diamond face shape, is a pretty rare face shape to have. So there's not so much advice online with how to do some things in regards to makeup, in regards to hairstyling and haircuts and things. So I might do that so that everybody with a diamond shape knows where they can go. For instance, with hairstyles, I want to cut all of my hair off. Like chin length I wanted, but my chin is lower than the top of my jaw. So I can't do it too short or else it'll cut off here. And I can't do it too long or else it'll be too long more long than I want. Longer than I want. And every time I type in, diamond shape hairstyles, it gives me hairstyles and haircuts that do not work with a diamond face because I have a diamond face and they do not work. And it's the same with bronzers. So I think I might do a whole other video on that because the way that I bronze is for an oval shape to accent cheekbones, but I have cheekbones. So I think in a way I make my face look too harsh. When I decided to change my blush routine as well, that changed the shape of my face as well. The only unfortunate thing is that I don't have every face shape in order to show you how to complement the features of every face shape. With my eyebrows, it's like I can tell the difference every single time. And I hope that nobody else can because nobody else is looking that close. And then every now and then somebody compliments me on my eyebrows and I'm like, oh, if only you knew. But thank you, lovely human being. What I want to do today for my eyes and what I'm going to end up doing are two very different things for two reasons. One, I'm kind of tired of black eyeliner, but it's all I have for now, even though it's a bit dodgy. I showed it in my other videos. It's very not precise. The strands of the eyeliner brush have like dispatched and I can't see what I'm doing, first of all. But second, it's summer. I'm tired of I've been wearing black eyeliner for 15 years. And when it comes to shadows, there is an eyeshadow palette that I want to buy and try, despite it being warm shades and I'm very cool toned. So I'm going to do what I can today with warm colors. Born This Way, the Natural Nudes Palette. I've mentioned before that this palette has a sister palette that's like warm sunset vibes. I may have dropped the palette and lost the most vital shade. It's alright, today we're going to do a very simple eye. I say that, but I get distracted. I'm going to use the color How do you guys pronounce it? Cocoa or because it's not cacao. Cacao is A-O and this is O-A. But that color. And I'm gonna dab into it with a very fluffy brush. Because I do like this color, it's just that I've been avoiding warm colors because I'm cool. Except for when I was in Greece. When I was in Greece, I tanned so easily and so quickly. Warm colors and I were like moths and flames. Alright, I'm gonna call this a light dusting. It's just a placement of color and the smoked out effect of that color. But not so much so where it constructs the eye shape. I'm gonna use the same color underneath. And because I don't have, like I only dipped into the product with this brush, I didn't like swipe into it or roll into it. So most of the product is pretty much gone now. I'm just pushing it around. So it doesn't matter that it's so fluffy when I use it under the eye because it's not adding an abundance of product. It's just smoking out whatever was there. All right, I'm gonna use truffle just to accent the outer corners. And depending on how this buffs out, should I even do an eyeliner? I want to. I think when it comes to semi-hooded eyes and hooded eyes, classic eye looks are your best friend. I think they do so much to bring out the eye shape. Okay, and because of the color that is lost forever, the absolutely vital color, I'm gonna go into my 35XO Natural Flirt palette. I'm gonna use the color Come Here Often, which is that one. I could use this one, but I feel like it's too dark and I'm too light for it. So this one, with the fluffy brush that I used in the beginning, and just dust in some light. Oh, jab myself in the eye. Where's my mirror? Yeah, that'll bring in enough light. Cool. This is where a brown eyeliner would be so desperately appreciated. All right, I'm gonna do what I can with the eyeliner that I have. This is what this looks like. So it's very hard for me to make a very petite line. Look, it's not bad. It could be better. It could be so much better. And because when I do black liner, I must line it. Okay, mascara. I also want to get this in brown as well, the Better Than Sex mascara, because I doubt there's any better mascara. But since we're working with black, it's just that a black mascara is a staple product that, I don't know, it belongs. It's developed its own throne in every makeup kit. But I've started to firmly believe that brown mascara should be a staple throne room. It's like how everyone has a red lipstick or a red lip gloss, a nude lipstick or a nude lip gloss, a bronzer, a blush, the foundation, the concealer, the mascara. It's just that I also think brown should be now added to the mix. Maybe it's an age thing. Raw Beauty Christie did a video. Well, I watched it yesterday, but when this goes up, it'll be like a week or so. So yeah, even she did a video saying that she doesn't know what's happening to her because she's loving browns, but she grew up in her teenage years as a scene kid wearing black eyeliners. So did I. For 15 years, I've been wearing black eyeliner, black mascara, black lashes, black dark smoky looks. If you've been here from the beginning, it's a dark smoky look. It always has been. And I've said that from the beginning, the darker the better. Add more black and make it darker. It's just that now, I think it's the end of an era. I think that's all I'm gonna do with the eyes. It's the same as what I normally do, but just less and with different colors. For lips, look, I always put lip balm before anything I do because I have like perpetually dry lips. But this lip gloss, I actually think I have it in my bag. NARS lip gloss, I don't know exactly what it's called. I'll put it in the description and the color and info. Why NARS? Why? I usually just apply it in the middle and taper it out. But because it's a sheer, it's so forgiving, it doesn't really matter. Oh, that matters. Did I grab the right product? Yes. Never worn a full face of makeup to the beach. I find comfort in the fact that I'm not going to the beach, I'm just going near the beach. I'm going dancing. So when this dries, I'm going to apply some more powder because I must, to avoid that dewy look. which I'll eventually get into. It's bound to happen. I think it comes with age. And I think because the oily skin that I've had most of my life has put me off that dewy look, I don't like it. But the older you get, you kind of see the powder on your skin and you're like, "Ay." So maybe I'll get into that soon, sooner than you think. Oh no, I touched my brush on my still healing nose ring. This probably means it's gonna get puffy again. To anyone watching this video, have you got your nose pierced? How long does it take you to heal it? Because for me, this is the second time I've had it pierced. And I keep getting like scarring and drama. Alrighty, that's all for today. I don't know how this video looks because my monitor on my phone is here and you're here. So I haven't really been able to check in to see how I look. My mirror says I look okay. But I hope the lighting is good and I hope the sound is good and I hope everything's good because I could get used to this setup. Let's go dancing.